Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before I share very exciting news, let me share a quick disclaimer. This video is not a financial advice. Please do your own research before making any decisions. Now let's dive in. Get ready because Midas is turning up the heat with a massive series of events that put real rewards in the hands of traders. With over 15,000 USD up for grabs, this is the perfect chance to jump in, trade, invite friends, and earn big along the way. Whether you're brand new or already trading like a pro, there's something here for everyone. Let's break it down. Event 1, new user exclusive 3,000 USD up for grabs. If you're new to the platform, this one's for you. All it takes is a net deposit of 100 USDT or more in any token and your very spot trade in the Midas USDT pair. That's it. You'll instantly qualify for rewards between 15 and 100 USDT. And if you hit a futures trading volume of more than 200 USDT, you'll score an extra 10 USDT airdrop on top with rewards of 110 USDT per person and a total pool of 3,000 USDT. This is the easiest way to start your trading journey with a bonus boost. But hurry, these rewards are limited and given out on a first-come, first-served basis. In Event 2, trade Midas to share 7,000 USDT. This is where things get exciting for both new and existing users. Just trade at least 100 USDT in Midas and you're in. From there, it's all about climbing the ranks. The top trader grabs 600 USDT, second place takes 400 USDT, and the third place earns 200 USDT. Spots 4 through 10 share 800 USDT, and everyone ranked below still gets a fair share of 1,000 USDT based on trading volume. Plus 50 lucky traders will win 10 USDT each just for participating. And here's a sweet extra. If you push your Midas trading volume past 200 USDT, you'll unlock a 10 USDT airdrop. With 7,000 USDT in the pool, there's plenty of rewards to go around. In Event 3, invite friends, share 2,000 USDT. Good things are better when shared, right? During this event, inviting friends literally pays. Every valid referral earns you at least 10 USDT, but it gets even better. Refer 6 to 20 friends and you'll make 15 USDT per invite. Go big with 20 plus invites and you'll earn 20 USDT each. With a total prize pool of 2,000 USDT, there's no cap on how much you will earn. The more you share, the more you will stack up. Just make sure your invitees complete the deposit, their first trade Midas USDT, and 200 USDT in futures trading to qualify. In Event 4, Midas exclusive 3,000 USDT for futures traders. For the series traders, this is your moment. Hit a Midas spot trading volume of 200 USDT and futures trading of 300,000 USDT, and you'll snag a 25 USDT airdrop. But the real thrill, the top 10 futures trader will each unlock a massive 200 USDT reward. That's a strong 3,000 USDT pool waiting for the best of the best. Together, these events are all about rewarding activity, building community, and having fun while building. From new user to perks to referral bonuses and competitive leaderboards, Midas is making sure every effort counts. Don't wait. Jump in now, trade smart, invite friends, and claim your share of these amazing rewards. Please read the event rules for more informations. Now, if you like this video, please click that like and subscribe button and make sure to click that bell for updates. Thanks for watching. See ya!